It's a lot of lust, not a lot of love. Ayy, I stack it up, can't get enough. See your shorty with you, she look at me and she.
Hi, my name is Yusuf, and I'm addicted to making whale noises. Ever since I was a little kid, around like 6 years old, I was addicted to watching SpongeBob. Always looked up to that whale girl. Her name's Pearl. She just had this great voice, and I aspire to be like her. And I just think it's awesome.
Yeah, like when we're in the car and we're just like singing along to Jake Sartorius, he just starts making whale noises like, "You can wear my." I was like, what the heck is, he's just so weird. And he just goes around my house just making whale noises. He's watching SpongeBob all the time. And he's just like picking up on whale noises, and I don't understand. I get so scared. I don't know why I'm friends with him, to be honest with you.
So, my friend Yusuf, there are a couple things you should know about him before you hang out with him. Don't take him to any serious events. I tried taking him to a funeral one time. We got kicked out really fast. We tried taking him to a wedding. I don't even know what I was thinking. Yeah, don't take Yusuf to a wedding. And don't take him to your grandma's house, especially if your grandma has like hard of hearing. She'll go deaf. Yeah.
I was at this wedding with my friend, and I saw this cake, and a whale flopped all over it, and I just thought it was a pool.
It's a lot of lust, not a lot of love.